Hello and welcome to CAD Drive. In this tutorial, we are going to see this sketch for tutorial purpose. After completing this tutorial, you will learn how to pattern a sketch entities, how to give relation between different sketch entities, how to fully define sketch in Siemens NX. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before you start, please make sure you analyze the sketch. So let's analyze sketch here for a few seconds. So this sketch contains three circles. These two circles has been connected with this tangent line. These two circles connected with this tangent arc. So that's how simple you can divide a sketch into small entities and make your work easier for better understanding. So let's get started. Let's make three circles as per rough sketch requirement. So this is my bottom circle, this is going to be my top circle, this will be my right side circle. So our rough sketch is almost ready. Now let's fully define the sketch. So the dimension here is 36 and 26. Let's define this. This will be 36. ID will be 26. This ID will be 26. OD will be 52. Now also define these three circles. One die is 42, 50 and 26. This will be 50 and the outermost will be radius is 42, so multiply by 2. Now let's define distance between them. So vertical distance between these two circles is 85. From this point to this line will be 85. And the horizontal distance between them is 80. This will be 80 mm. Now let's define from vertical distance from this line to this center point. This line to this center point distance is 14 mm. So let's say this is my center point, this will be my line. The distance will be 40. As you can see now, the sketch is fully defined. Now we have to just make sure we make this tangent line and tangent arc. So let's get started. Let's draw two lines. Let's make them tangent relation. Select these two entities, go to constraint bar and select make tangent. Click on OK. Select entities, go to constraint bar, select constraint. Now trim the outer body of this sketch of this line. Select trim, select curve like this, outer curve of this line. Our sketch is still fully defined. Now let's make two tangent arcs. This will be my arc, first arc, this will be my second arc. Now we have to define the radius of this arc. First, inner radius is 42, outer radius is 96. So let's define this arc as a radius of 46, 42 and 96. Let's say 42. Now let's make tangent first. So select line, select circle, make tangent, select line, select circle, make tangent. Now also select for this outer tangent curve, select circle, select arc, make tangent. Now we have to trim this outer body curve. Let's say trim this curve, let's trim this curve. Control Z. Let's define a relation between this and this, make a tangent. Now trim the entities. Trim this curve also. Now let's define this radius. This radius will be 42. This radius will be 96. Let's again recheck. This radius is 42. This radius is 96. Now we have to make a circular pattern on pitch circle dia of 15 and dia of 10. 8 number holes. So let's make for construction purpose. Draw a circle on this curve. Draw horizontal and vertical line. Convert it for construction purpose. Now select this center and this line. This point and this line make coincident. Define the circle. The dia will be 10 mm. And you can see now the scale, our scale is still fully defined. Now let's go to pattern. Click on circular pattern. In this drop down, specify center point. Go to this option, arc, ellipse and sphere center, and select the center point. Select the entities you want to pattern, and you can see now I want 8 entities at pitch angle of 45. Click on OK, and you can see now our sketch is still fully defined. So our sketch is almost ready. So that's how easy and simple to give constraint between sketch relations, how to make circular pattern, and how to fully define sketch in Siemens NX. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Please make sure like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.